Let us create this iconic makeup look together. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll start with the eye makeup first. I am going to be using these two palettes from Makeup Revolution. This shade right here. Okay, it's a brown shade, a very light brown shade. Apply it over this part of your eye, okay? After you've done that, kajal from Mars. This is like so dark. The more the pigment of this kajal, the better your eye makeup would come out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this kajal over this line, okay? The darkest brown shade that you have, the darkest, I mean it, and it should be warm, not cold undertone. Pick it up like that. Look at that. Okay, so the eye makeup is done, and now I'm going to apply this kajal on my waterline. Now this is the reason I told you not to do this eye makeup after you've done the makeup. See, it's fallen all over this kajal and this eyeshadow. Now take the same brown shade, the darker brown one, and you're gonna apply it over here. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and then apply the mascara. Now I'm going in with this mascara.
A few moments later.
So the eye makeup is done, and now I am going to be doing my makeup. I'm going to prep my skin. This is the most important part, and I've seen a lot of people skipping this. And okay, so I'm starting with the skincare, and I am using this Tony Monica toner. This cream from Tony Moly. My favorites, this Laneige sunscreen. I'm using this Laneige sleeping mask on my lid. I feel like your skincare can actually make or break your makeup. Like, if you have a good glowy skin base, your makeup would look so perfect. And if you do not have a glowy skin base, I think it's just not gonna make that makeup look glowy. Now I'm doing a no foundation look, so we're going to directly with the concealer. This is from Too Faced in shade Vanilla. It's like very full coverage, so I don't like using this a lot, so I just like using a few dots. So I'm going to use this concealer from Mars. This is lighter than the Too Faced one, so I'm going to use this on my high points. So this is the concealer brush that I use. Just do that, okay? Don't blend it in completely. Let this sit.
One eternity later.
On your face. And the makeup will not be cakey. So like when you're using heavy products, you really have to make sure that you don't get cakey makeup, because nobody likes that, right? Lip liner from Swiss Beauty. A red shade. Now I'm going to make up with this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found anything helpful from this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And that was it for this video. Thank you so much. Bye.